I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Microsoft account so the app can personalize responses. If you don't have one, create it now. Once done, open the Bing app and allow required permissions like microphone and location to enable voice search and local context. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version for newest features. Now tap the chat or search bar to begin. This first step gives Bing the access and context it needs to help you quickly. You type or speak a specific prompt telling Bing exactly what you want. For example, describe the task, include constraints, and request format. Once you submit, explore image or voice input to add context. Use photos to get visual analysis or voice for hands-free interaction. Make sure to use the mode controls to set creativity or length and edit follow-ups to refine results. This middle stage is where detailed input steers Bing. You finish by refining responses. Ask clarifying follow-ups, request step-by-step instructions, or have Bing rewrite answers in a different tone. This improves relevance. When satisfied, copy, share, or save the response to keep it for later. If the app behaves oddly or returns errors, try clearing cache, force quitting and reopening, or checking permissions and network connection. These quick fixes resolve most issues. Finally, if accuracy seems off, provide more context and ask Bing to cite assumptions so you know why it answered that way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.